Google have announced a new plugin called Sitekit that will be available across the world for WordPress users. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for joining in. What is Sitekit? Sitekit is a new WordPress plugin that lets website owners install and configure all Google services to get full insights right in the dashboard on their website. This allows statistics to be seen from Google Analytics, PageSpeed Insights, Google Search Console, and AdSense, all in one place. Best of all, because it is a plugin, Sitekit does not need source code editing and users can assign roles and give team members permission for access. The Sitekit plugin can be installed directly from the WordPress directory. Why should we care? Being able to see all of your metrics about the website's performance in one place will give WordPress users a full experience without having to find the data in all of the various sources. The ability to see all of the metrics about your site performance that are captured across these various Google products in one with Sitekit will give WordPress users an out-of-the-box dashboard experience without the headache of pulling data from these different sources. Hope you enjoyed this video and would love to hear your thoughts and feedback on the new Sitekit plugin. Thanks for joining in and I hope to see you in my next video.